An update. First, let me say hello again. It's only a few hours later, but please play this in HD. If you look at the numbers on the side of your screen there in the top left corner, the distance of the comet from the Earth in astronomical units has now started to drop. It reached 0.996027, and it began to drop. It was actually 66. Let me say it was 96028 something, I think it was. But in any case, it started to drop at, according to my clock, it was 12:56. So I'm going to assume that that's when the comet reached its closest point to the sun, because now it must be swinging around and coming back around. So there's the position according to the software. It's very close to the sun. You couldn't possibly see it. I'm not going to project it because two reasons. One, it's a bit gusty wind out there, and for me to be able to hold the projection screen in one place while I'm trying to video would be a bit of a task. Unfortunately, it is very clear out. It's crystal clear out. The sun is very, very bright white. It would be nice to be able to project the sun and try to take a video of it and possibly even see if I can catch the comet next to it, but it's just not going to happen. It's Thanksgiving and the wind is blowing gusty a little bit there, and for me to hold a piece of cardboard up for projection screen is not going to work. So unfortunately, I'm not going to do that. But in any case, we're still tracking the comet. If you look at the top of the screen here, you can see that the numbers are dropping as far as the distance is concerned. The magnitude is up to 6.59. That is rather minus 6.59. That's a minus, almost a minus 6.6. I did find out the magnitude of Venus is actually minus 4 something. Let me back this up. I'm going to try to not talk while I scroll and zoom in and zoom out, because I noticed that this is not the fastest computer in the world, and it tasks and it makes the audio jumpy. So I'm going to be quiet while I zoom out and search. Okay, so there's Venus. And Venus is visible in the daytime sky sometimes, if it's not that close to the sun. And that is a minus 4.34. So I just wanted you to notice the relative brightness versus, you know, what the magnitude number is. And again, a minus is a brighter than a plus. So the higher the number, the dimmer the star. The human eye, a person with really good vision, out in the middle of the Arizona deserts, the dimmest star the human eye could see, I believe, is magnitude 6 or 7. I forget what it is. It's either 6, 7, or 6.5, somewhere around there. So that would be the dimmest you can see with the unaided eye in a very clear sky. In any case, let's get back to the comet. That's the sun. There we go. So what are we at now? 661. Wow, it's getting there. I almost half expect to see a tail even if I look at the sun, but don't look at the sun. I'm just kidding. So anyway, there's your update. I'm not going to stay on this too long because I have a sneaking feeling that somebody's going to come walking into this little recording studio here, because it is Thanksgiving and people are getting prepared. So again, happy Thanksgiving. I'm going to keep trying to track this. Perhaps in a couple more hours I'll see where it's at and I'll make another video for you. And please subscribe. Thanks again.